Hello friends, welcome to the Archi tutorial. In this video, we are going to design a login form using HTML5 and CSS3. Here you can see on the screen, we are going to design actually this login form. It has lots of awesome CSS features like transform features. It's rotated using the CSS transform property, and it has box inner shadow, outer shadow, and amazing icon features, and CSS gradient on his button and over. So overall this form we are going to learn a lot using CSS3. So let's start our coding. So for this, here is my index.html page, totally blank, style.css blank. And to save you a minute, I'm just going to copy and paste my HTML5 structure. It's a simple structure. It will save you a minute. Copy and paste it here, and here we can start our coding. Happy coding. Save it, and just first div will be our container. And then let me take section and id equals to content, and inside content we have our form, HTML form, and inside form we have our inputs, div, and input type equals to text, placeholder equals to username, and HTML5 validation required. Copy, paste. Instead of text, write password. Placeholder will be password, and here is required to. Here is submit. Instead of placeholder we have to write value, and value will be log in and not required. One more div with anchor tag, href hash, and register new user, anchor tag a hash, lost your password. So lost your password. So our structure is ready, and we're going to work on CSS. So first body, and give background, give a color like a gray, DC, TDD, and F. So there's a color. URL, and URL will be, I have a background image. You can get all the source code and everything in my website, but till now I have not uploaded it. So it's a repeated background. It will repeat in X and Y axis, right? So bg.png, margin 0 and auto all the time in the center, and padding is also 0. Okay, it's fine. Okay, nah, it's fine. And position might be relative. Good. So refresh. So you can see here my form is appearing, and if everything CSS is not applied here, so we have to make a connection between HTML and CSS. So here you can see I have already given link relation style sheet. So style.css, save and refresh. Now background is appearing, and margin, padding, everything is 0. Next part is to work on container. And container has a margin of 25 pixel from top and bottom, and auto means center. What happened with my keyboard? Okay, it's hang. It's hang. It's hang. It's hang. Time is going on. How much time it will take? I don't know. Okay, let me stop my timer. Fine, auto. Margin 25 pixel from top and bottom and auto. Width 900 pixel and height. For now, I'm giving height 500 pixel. Actually, I will remove it. And background gray. To show you it is appearing, how it is appearing. So you can see here it's appearing in the center, and top and bottom have margin 25 pixel. Now I not needed this one, this tool, and just remove 25 pixel and padding. Okay, leave it, enough, this is enough. And now this time to work on content. Content has a form, so, and width of the content will be 400 pixel, height of the content will be 350 pixel, and margin, everything will be in center, 0, auto. Padding have 25 pixel, 0, and background color will be F9, the background color. Save it and refresh. So you can say our content is appearing here, and everything is must be in center. Margin 0 and auto. Position relative. Container also has a position. Relative position matters in this thing, because we are going to use transform property. Text align. Center, and box shadow will be 0, 1 pixel, 0, and color will be white. Inset, inner box shadow. Okay, box shadow is done, and padding 25 pixel, 0, 0. Save this. So it is center, and box shadow is actually border rate. We should give border 1 pixel, solid, and hash. I don't remember color code, C4, C6, and CA. So now it is appearing here. Now we have to make a pseudo content like this, and which actually rotate in some angle. Hash content, and so before what will be my content? It's actually nothing, and you may write anything. If you write like hello world, so before of your content, hello world will appear. So you can see here hello world is appearing using CSS. So if you write anything, whatever you write, just like you're writing anything, so this will be appear. You can see here. So I'm going to make pseudo content, and my content will be MPD, and width of the content is 100%, height is also 100%, with height 100%. I am giving 100% means it is taking the width, this with 100 pixel, and this height 350 pixel. And rest of the things will be same, like padding, background color will be same like this one, and border will be same, and box shadow will also be same, refresh, save, and give position, and this time position will be absolute. Refresh. So you can see here it is appearing a pseudo content. Before actually it is here and it is very large. We have to make one more pseudo content, hash content before and then after. So now two pseudo content will appear, 1 2, and you have to give top, top, and okay, top 0 pixel. It is appearing here in the top, and margin from left, negative or might be 0. You can give 0 as well, so everything is covered. Now if I will remove this top 0, then it's appearing like this, and hash content, and before transform, and it has rotate property, let's say 2 degree, transform 2 degree, and copy this, give it after. So both the pseudo content will rotate. If it is rotating 2 degree, then the next one will be in reverse direction, so it will be negative 3 degree or more. You can see here, and give it a z-index of -1, then it will be back of our actual content. And if I give z-index -2, then this content will be back of both actual and as well as pseudo. Yeah, right here, and give it top 0. Now finally it appears, it gives a look whatever we want here, like this. Fine. Now we need to work on our header as well as form. So index.html content, after form we will have header content, h1, and login form. Refresh, login form. Content has a margin. We have given margin 0 pixel. Perfect. Content and h1 tag. Font family sans serif, Arial. Font size 25 pixel, and color gray, font weight bold, and letter spacing, one of the property of CSS. Okay, how is appearing? Nothing changes happen. h1 tag. So content, actual spelling is mistake. Save and now refresh. So it is login form, and give it letter spacing -0.05 em. Okay, now you can see here I have given a pseudo elements. You can say pseudo elements. Now it's like a bar, so we have to make it hash content h1 and before hash content h1 after, and background will be gray and height will be 1 pixel, position will be relative, and okay, height 1 pixel, border fine, let's see, okay, this one not appearing. I think it's absolute. Yeah, we have forgotten to give width. Width, how much width? For now, let's give 10 pixel. It's not appearing. H1 before. Okay, now I know what is the problem. Content blank. Content is necessary if you are using before and after. So you can see here, top of the L there is a bar, so we can use developer tool. Okay, h1 it has before, okay, content, okay, hash content before left 0 hash content after right 0. Yeah, h1 before and increase, give width in percentage, let's say 10%, increase, and margin from 0 pixel, top. No, it is fine. So whatever changes made, it's actually CSS calculation. So instead of doing manual calculation, just use developer tool. It is good. So replace whatever you have did here with your save and refresh. Now it is fine. Now it's time to work on input boxes. So for this we have to need a class wrapper class, and in the top of the, if you'll see in the head sections, I have given a CDN which is for font awesome, from where we will have our in our fonts icons for our input text box. So font awesome will provide icons, and class, you have to remember the class name font awesome hyphen user. Copy the same thing, it's quite easy, just you have to adjust with the CSS and lock. Save it, refresh. So you can see here you have your icons, and you have to make like this using the CSS property. So for this where your class is wrapper, yeah, in this class we have given wrapper, and wrapper give also wrapper to this class too, class wrapper, and width will be 300 pixel, height 45 pixel, and background gray. Save this. Okay, refresh. So we'll have this like this, and give a margin 0 auto, fine, and margin 0 auto, and also margin from bottom 10 pixel. It will separate. Now from here give border 1 pixel solid, gains borrow. It's like gray color. Gains borrow, and border radius 5 pixel. Refresh. It is fine, and change the color. So get the color from here. Right, use developer tool, color, and whatever the color, right, take the color from here. So this is the color I want here, and paste it here. Background, change the gray. Now you will have the color like this, and now it's inner shadow. You can say inner shadow, but first you have to work on input box too, and dot wrapper. Okay, wrapper input, and width is just it is 300 pixel. Give width 250 pixel, and height is same 45 pixel, and background color will be transparent, background color transparent, and border, sorry, border and border 0 pixel because I don't want border, and outline, text outline will be none. Refresh. Fine, and just check it. So you can observe in the here it is appearing from here to here, and this is the icon. So we can increase the size of our icon. Wrapper class, wrapper, and font awesome, font size 20 pixel, background, not background color, font color means actually icon color, which will be hash, okay, hash. You see here, it's look good. So now this time to work on inner shadow and text too. Font size 16 pixel, font family sans serif, comma, Arial, and okay, fine. Color is color hash 33, and box, have fun, shadow. So shadow will be like inset, it will be inner shadow, and 0 1 pixel 0, so it is 0 from top and bottom 0, and like let's take 8 pixel, and hash color is gray, it's blackish color. Save it and refresh. Oh, it's worst, and so we have to remove from here box shadow and paste inside wrapper. Save. Now refresh. Now it is fine. You may increase the inner shadow like this, and you can change the font color to here, like it's actually a color, it's I think gray color, and okay, fine. Save this. Fine. And now we need to work on login button. Dot. Okay, here is our button. Input div, input type, submit. It is inside form content. So input, where type equals to submit, type equals submit, and width 150 pixel, height 40 pixel, and border 40 pixel, more than 40 pixel, then it will be circled. Okay, background border is not actually border radius. Fine, and you have to remove the border 2, border 0 pixel, and outline none. Fine. Now we have to change the color. So take the color and apply the gradient. Background color will be, take the color from here. This is the color, this one is the color. Gradient, actually so not, this is the color after hovering. Background, okay, and take all this. So you can see here is it's a golden color, and WebKit linear gradient, it's a CSS gradient property. And I have given WebKit because I'm working on Chrome browser. For different browser it has different extension, like if you are in Mozilla browser, so you have to write Moz, and for Opera browser you have to write O, and for Chrome you have to write WebKit, and for all you have to write everything. So to save time, I'm not writing everything. Just refresh. There it's appearing, and cursor will be pointer, color. Why not take all these things? Cursor, pointer, and color. Okay, color and color, this one. Font family sans serif, comma Arial, and font size 16 pixel. Font weight, bold, font weight bold. Refresh, and we have to apply hover property here too, and finally margin from top 25 pixel. Okay, input type equals to submit, because I have given type submit because I have input as well for text as well for password, so it will target only the submit button. And hover, then we have to change the gradient. So you can see when someone hover, so it change the gradient from top to bottom to top, and just with the same golden color. These two are the color and these two are the positions. So you can see, fine. Now the last thing is div, register new user and password. So anchor tag, and text decoration none, text decoration none, font family, font family sans serif, comma Arial, font family sans serif Arial, and letter spacing negative 0.05 em, font size, pixel, and color #333. My god. Style float left, float right, and it is more, so float left and float right. Color margin 25 pixel. Okay, and someone hover link. The background color will be changed to gray. Not background color. Color be gray from dark to light. It is fine. So this is the overall product, and which is exactly same like this. Nothing is different here. Yeah, let me remove this. So if you like my tutorial, don't forget to go in my website and give me a like here, and follow me on Facebook for the different types of tutorials and CSS projects. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. It will help me a lot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.